Hey y'all. Okay, sorry. I'm hungry. I'm getting ready to eat. um Hello. We're here with a new video and I wanted to try out this little Shein hair. Um I made it work. That's all I'm gonna say. If you'd like to see my first little thoughts and how I felt about it and how I put it in to make it look a little more, a little something natural type of vibe, keep watching. I do my makeup, but I'm not gonna put it in this video. I just did it so that I look like something at the end, okay? Because how we gonna tie it together if I'm not made up, okay? So I don't know if the lighting's gonna change. I feel like the lighting was different when I did my hair, but y'all can see it. That's all that matters. All right, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like this, and if you would like to see anything about this hair, it will be tagged below, or any of the other Shein hair. It's up to you. If you have any other places you would like me to try hair that is like inexpensive and see what's what, please comment below so I can look it up and try it out for you before you have to try it. All right. BRB. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and slick this hair back. I try to be neat and do it real slick like other people do and do it in sections, but I just don't be feeling like it. So if it gets slicked enough, it gets slicked enough. I didn't go anywhere. So when I go places, I try to slick it down more. I did it in like 3 real sections just to get it slicked down. I just use my Eco Styler, and then I kind of use a mixture of my Eco Styler and my favorite Dollar Tree edge control that they have. That's the softy, just because I'm a cheapskate and I don't be feeling like trying other gels, because if it don't work, I'm gonna be mad. I bought this little brush off of Shein too, and it was, I think, $2. I'm gonna put the prices of everything on here, but I believe it was only $2, and it has the same end similar to how a rat tail comb would, so it's very helpful. I wish it was a little bit of a harder brush. It's kind of soft, but it is what it is. It still did the job, and I was able to get my part in there. But yeah, so I'm going to slick everything else down, and then we're going to go ahead and get this ponytail popping. So I end up just doing like a 2-strand twist to make the little bun on this hair, like the way I do my pony. But I wasn't in love with that, and you're going to see in a little bit how big the bun is compared to the ponytail. And like, yeah, if the ponytail was different, it might have been different, but honestly, I could have made it smaller. I end up taking that all the way out, that 2-strand twist, and doing like one piece of the 2-strand twist and twisting it around the scrunchie, and then doing another piece of that around, and then the little bun ends up being half the size of what I made it right here. So definitely give that a try if your hair is the length of mine, just so it makes it easier. Now to get into the hair, it is definitely the same type of quality of the other Shein hair I've had. It's not, the softest. It feels, very plasticky, but if this is a go-to type of thing, it's whatever. It has the little clip for the back, and it looks similar to how like a piece of hair you would put in for like a half wig, but it has a strap around it where you can literally just velcro it around, and then the end piece wraps around to make the little piece of hair you would use in a different type of ponytail to cover it up, so you can't see your scrunchie or whatever, so you don't see this band that's Velcro. So it's really that simple technically, but if it was thicker, it would be better. Yes, it sheds, it does all of these different things that you don't really want in a ponytail, but overall for pictures, it wasn't that bad. I didn't mind it for the purpose of taking pictures. So hold on. All right, I was going to do all voiceover, but I wanted to stop what I was watching on TV just so you can see. Now, minus it not really matching the top of my head because this is the color of what my hair is dyed at the bottom. The dye that hasn't grown out yet. Um, it's not as thin as the other piece I got from Shein, like the last time I ordered it, but look at how thin it is in the back. Like, I would have to put my hair in the middle. I can't. I would have to leave my hair out. I would have to do this with like my pressed hair and maybe put it in a, I don't know. I don't know. Cause it just looks so unnatural. It's not thick enough at the top. So it's a good idea though. It's a good idea in theory. It really is, but one, the color is never what they tell you it is in their thing. It never is. It's always been too freaking light. And for two, it could be thicker. But that one was actually thicker than the other one. I'm going to do it really quick. I want to do it one more time without my hair like that. And then if anything, maybe the next time I'll try it and do it without, like, do it with my hair pressed. I'm not doing that right now because I don't really want to put heat on my hair right this second. But let's try it again. Clip it in the middle. Bring that around. And now bring this around. And the only other thing is that doing this with my hair out rather than it tied in, like, if your hair is not the same length as mine and your little bun won't be that bad, I definitely do suggest just putting your hair underneath. But because my hair is blow dried, it will not get small. It just won't. It will not do a small bun. That's just how my hair is. But if you have, you know, shorter length, go for it. Maybe even if I was to wet my ponytail, maybe my actual hair, maybe it would sit a little bit better. I'm not even going to do the bobby pin because I don't need it. It's like my hair just sticks out of it really bad. But even still, the color is not exact. So no matter what I do, it's going to look stupid with my hair. It doesn't match my hair color. It doesn't match. Like, and you only have one hair color option. So unless your hair color is like a 2, don't waste your money. Even though it was hella cheap. PSA. Good for pictures. That's it. I'm not wearing this outside like this. I would never. I would never. I don't know. I just, it's just not thick enough. Maybe if I could press my hair out and get my hair to blend with it enough. And maybe I wear it up rather than low like this. Maybe I'll dye my hair again. I don't know. Just to get it to match. Like, whatever. Okay. That cool, make a nigga